Hey everybody, AJ Harmon here. Headed out to go fishing today. One second. Had some on the lens. Heading out to go fishing right now with Anna. Got my good luck charm back. She's coming out of retirement. She wants to catch a fish using, what bait are we using?
I don't know.
She's gonna be using a spin bait.
A
spinner bait, and I'm gonna be using a worm, a Texas rig. I told her I'm only using a Texas rig until she catches a fish. She's using crankbaits and spinner baits, stuff that fish will just attack no matter what. It's the the friend's quote.
Glow Pop Jiggly Jammer.
Oh, she's using the Glow Pop Jiggly Jammer. So, me and Anna are out here fishing. Like I said in one of my last videos, we're fishing next to a shooting range right now. So there's a lot of loud noises and bangs and stuff going on. But we're gonna find out what they're biting real quick, and hopefully we'll start catching some good fish. But I'll just stay tuned. Well, everybody. Well, dadgum, quick. Well, everybody, I caught the first fish of the day. Anna was telling me, oh, that's a big old sucker fish right there.
See it?
Oh, crap.
See it?
I almost lost my camera.
What is that?
Big old sucker fish. It's a carp.
So I was right, it was a carp.
Yes. Yeah, Anna knows her fish. Yeah, you said cast right there. And
What way do I need to go?
cast down that way. In the shade. In the shade. Well, everybody, I just caught that fish. My camera had said I didn't have enough storage when it also says I have 3 hours and 8 minutes left of record time, so. Yeah. Cast over there yeah, just cast straight. Straight down in the shade. If you want to, you can change to this thing that I'm using. That's on that other one. Since I just caught the fish on it, go ahead and switch to it. I would. I'm hung. Oh yeah. It's a good fish right here, baby. Guys, this is how I kayak. I don't need my paddle. I just pull myself with wherever I get hung on. I honestly don't even know. It was in the water probably 10 seconds. And it got behind a log, and now I'm hooked on it. And that's where I was going to cast and catch another fish and make Anna mad. There's Anna. She's sticking with it right now. She's not too angry at me yet. Oh, here we. What? And she's off. And I'm gonna rehook this thing on here because I didn't do too good of a job. There's some little baby bass over in the water right here. Actually, they're brim. I'm all rigged back on now. That's a little bit better looking. I'm in a tree. Yeah, we can paddle all the way down this creek. I need to check the time to make sure we're not late for that thing. Do you want me to come over tonight after? 2:05. 2:05, and somebody What? Hey, don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Ready? Yank on it. Wait, no. Pop it. Wait. Let me see it. No. You got it? I'm gonna watch you handle it. All right. I'm gonna catch a fish over there up against that log. I really want to get in this water for some reason. Did you get it? If you need my help, just tell me. You need help? I'm in a tree now. Good job. I got one. I got a fish, babe. Oh, there we go. Oh, he got me right on my toe that time. God, he swallowed this sucker. He's a little largemouth. Wow, dang it. He ain't coming off of that hook. That hook's down in his mouth. Pretty daggum far. Son of a gunny. Got me in my...
Okay?
Yeah, I'm good. He just... Look at him, he's bleeding. Dadgum. He keeps on stabbing me with his fin. Oh. Oh yeah, he ain't doing too good. Dadgummit. What happens when you swallow a hook, buddy? I got it out of him. And he's gone. He's off, people, don't worry. Alright everybody, this is life lesson number 1 right here. Do not beat yourself up over losing a fishing rod and reel. Because trust me, I've lost more than anybody in this world. I have broken poles, I've lost them. I've done everything to lose poles. So Anna just needs to calm down and not beat herself up over losing a little pole. It's not that big of a deal. It wasn't like my super nice ones or anything. So if you feel bad for Anna, just leave a comment. I'll make sure to tell her. And everything will be alright. So thank y'all for watching. Hey everybody, just got out of the water. I caught 2 bass today, had a pretty good day. Anna, hey Anna, how was your day of fishing?
I lost a reel and I didn't catch any fish.
Got one. It's a big boy too. Oh, he came off. Big old carp. It was a big old carp, man. I don't know. I don't like fishing top water. I just never had much luck with it. So I don't know why I'm even wearing these shoes right now. Did I get him? Oh yeah, I got one. There we go. First bass of the day. one of the day, everybody. Son of a gun, he's gonna get me. Gotta get some pliers. One thing with these treble hooks, make sure you always got a pair of pliers with you. He's a little feller. I'm gonna get him back in the water, but I'll show him to you first. He's a little one, but still fun to catch. There you go, bud. Okay, so